Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account. Okay, so the first step that you have to do is open up your settings. Then you go to the accounts and backup section. And then you want to press on manage accounts. And then you want to press on the Gmail account, email that you would like to delete. And then you press on Google account. Okay, so after reaching this part, you have to go into the data and personalization section. Scroll a little bit down below and then you will see this section, which is download, delete, or make a plan for your data. You want to press on delete a service or your account. Right here in here, you can choose the option delete your Google account, which is right here. Okay, then you have to enter your password. All right. After you enter your password, you can see that because when you created your Gmail account, what you were actually doing is that you were creating a Google account, which includes Gmail, YouTube, Google Calendar, and any other Google services that you use. So yeah, you can choose, you know, yes, I acknowledge, and that yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data, and then you can go ahead and tap on the delete account button. So if you like our video, please help us like and share. If you successfully deleted your Google account or Gmail account, please leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you.